Today, I'll show you how to add the pixelated mosaic blur transition, which gives your edits a cool blocky effect as one clip changes into the next. First, open your project and import two clips into the timeline. Place them side by side so they're connected. Between the clips, you'll notice a small plus icon. Go ahead and tap on it to bring up the transition options. Now, in the base section, scroll until you find the Pixelate transition and tap on it. Instantly, you'll see how your first clip breaks down into blocky pixels before smoothly revealing the second clip. At the bottom, you'll also notice a duration slider. Drag it left for a quick pixelated change, or drag it right for a slower, smoother mosaic effect. Play around with the timing until it matches the pace of your video, and that's it. You've just added a pixelated mosaic blur transition in VN Video Editor. It's simple, stylish, and works great for creative edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick VN editing tips.